Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without a link. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and go to any channel or any channel that you have on Telegram. Go ahead or even create one if you want to, so you can follow along the steps. Now what I'm going to do, it's not going to take you a couple seconds. Click on the name of the channel at the top, and then you're gonna see three options at the bottom. Just go ahead and click the last option, channel settings, and here you're gonna see the second option, invite links. Click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just copy that link. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, okay, and then go ahead to my browser. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and paste the link. Sorry, let me close this window and paste the link that you just copied. Paste the link without going right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna erase that, right, and you're gonna just type, let's have an example, crickets, okay, and then you're gonna go forward and join the private channel. And the same goes for any group that you put in after telegram.me/ and you're gonna just type whatever, like cheese, right, and you're gonna be able right here to see there is a private channel. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.